We've all been there. You're hanging a picture, putting up a shelf, or maybe tackling a bigger project like mounting a TV. It seems simple enough at first. Suddenly, you realize the screw just isn't biting into the wall. Frustration sets in as you try to figure out what went wrong. That's where wall anchors come in. These often overlooked tools are essential for any successful home improvement project. These small but mighty fasteners provide the extra holding power you need to secure objects to walls, especially when dealing with drywall or plaster. They come in various shapes and sizes, each designed for specific tasks. Think of wall anchors as the foundation for your home improvement projects. They ensure that whatever you hang stays put, giving you peace of mind. They transfer the weight of the object you're hanging from the wall surface to the framing behind it. This distribution of weight is key to maintaining the integrity of your walls. This is crucial because drywall and plaster are brittle materials that can easily crumble under pressure. Without the right support, they can fail you when you least expect it. Without proper anchors, your hard work can come crashing down. Imagine the disappointment of seeing your efforts go to waste. Nobody wants to see their prized possessions lying in a heap on the floor. It's not just about the damage, it's about the emotional toll it takes. So before you grab your hammer, let's dive into the world of wall anchors and learn how to use them like a pro. With the right knowledge, you can tackle any project with confidence and ensure your home improvements stand the test of time.
Plastic expansion anchors are the workhorses of the wall anchor world. They are indispensable in many home improvement projects, providing a reliable solution for securing items to walls. They're readily available, affordable, and incredibly easy to use, making them a popular choice for DIYers of all skill levels. Whether you're a seasoned handyman or just starting out, these anchors simplify the process of mounting objects on walls. These anchors consist of a plastic sleeve with ribs or teeth that expand when a screw is inserted. This expansion mechanism ensures a secure fit, preventing the anchor from slipping out of the wall. To install a plastic expansion anchor, start by drilling a pilot hole in the wall. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for a secure installation. The hole should be the same diameter as the anchor. Using the correct size drill bit ensures that the anchor will fit snugly and perform effectively. Next, gently tap the anchor into the hole until it's flush with the wall surface. This ensures that the anchor is properly seated and ready to hold the screw. Insert the screw and tighten it. Make sure to apply steady pressure as you turn the screw to ensure the anchor expands correctly. As you tighten the screw, the anchor expands, creating a firm grip on the surrounding drywall. This expansion is what gives the anchor its holding power, making it reliable for various applications. Plastic expansion anchors are ideal for light-duty applications such as hanging pictures, mirrors, and small shelves. They provide a simple yet effective solution for decorating and organizing your space. They're best suited for use in drywall and are available in a range of sizes to accommodate different screw sizes and weight requirements. This versatility makes them a go-to choice for many household projects, ensuring you have the right anchor for the job.
When you need serious holding power in hollow walls, you can't rely on just any fastener. Toggle bolts are the answer to your problem. These specialized fasteners are designed to provide maximum support in situations where traditional screws and nails would fail. These heavy-duty fasteners are designed to distribute weight over a larger area, making them perfect for securing heavy objects like large mirrors, shelves, and even cabinets. Whether you're hanging a large piece of art or installing a new set of shelves, toggle bolts ensure that your items stay securely in place. Toggle bolts consist of a threaded bolt and a spring-loaded toggle. This unique design allows them to anchor securely in hollow walls. The toggle folds down as the bolt is inserted through the wall, making it easy to push through the hole. Once the toggle is inside the wall cavity, it springs open, creating a strong anchor point. This mechanism ensures that the bolt won't pull out, even under significant weight. Installing a toggle bolt requires drilling a larger hole than the toggle itself. This step is crucial for the toggle to fit through the wall. This allows the folded toggle to pass through the wall. Once it's through, the toggle will automatically open up inside the wall cavity. Once the bolt is through, tighten it to draw the toggle tight against the back of the drywall. This action pulls the toggle flush against the wall, creating a secure hold. The result is a rock-solid anchor capable of supporting substantial weight. You can trust toggle bolts to hold up even the heaviest items without worry. Remember, toggle bolts are best suited for hollow walls where there's space for the toggle to deploy. They are not ideal for solid walls or areas with limited space behind the wall. They're available in various sizes and weight capacities, so be sure to choose one that's appropriate for your project. Whether you're hanging a small picture frame or a heavy cabinet, there's a toggle bolt that fits your needs.
Molle bolts, also known as hollow wall anchors, offer another robust solution for heavy-duty applications in drywall. These anchors feature a threaded metal sleeve and an expanding body that spreads out behind the wall when tightened. To install a molle bolt, drill a pilot hole the same diameter as the sleeve. Insert the molle bolt through the hole and tighten the screw. The screw draws the body of the anchor toward the back of the drywall, causing it to expand and create a secure hold. Molle bolts provide exceptional holding power and are suitable for hanging heavy objects like large pictures, mirrors, and even light fixtures. They're available in various sizes and weight capacities to meet the demands of your project.
Section 5. Self-drilling anchors. Time savers for quick installations. For quick and easy installations, self-drilling anchors are a convenient option. These anchors eliminate the need for pre-drilling a pilot hole, saving you time and effort. They feature a sharp point that allows them to be driven directly into drywall or plaster. To use a self-drilling anchor, simply position the anchor on the wall and use a screwdriver to drive it in. The anchor's threads will bite into the wall, creating a secure hold for your screw. Self-drilling anchors are best suited for light-duty applications, such as hanging pictures, curtain rods, and lightweight shelves.
Section 6. Best practices for using wall anchors. Tips from a pro. Now that you're familiar with the different types of wall anchors, let's talk about some best practices to ensure secure and successful installations. First and foremost, always choose the right anchor for the job. Consider the weight of the object you're hanging, the wall material, and the location. Next, make sure you're using the correct drill bit size for your chosen anchor. A snug fit is crucial for optimal holding power. When drilling into walls, always be aware of potential hazards like electrical wiring and plumbing. Use a stud finder if necessary to locate framing members. Finally, don't be afraid to overestimate the weight capacity you need. It's always better to err on the side of caution.
Section 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't let these mishaps ruin your project. Even the most experienced DIYers can fall victim to common wall anchor mistakes. Here are a few pitfalls to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is using the wrong type of anchor for the job. Using a light-duty anchor for a heavy object is a recipe for disaster. Another common error is drilling the pilot hole too large or too small. An incorrect hole size can compromise the anchor's holding power. Over-tightening the anchor is another blunder to watch out for. Excessive force can strip the anchor or damage the wall. Finally, neglecting to check for obstructions before drilling can lead to serious problems. Always be aware of potential hazards hidden within your walls.
Chapeau. Section 8. Choosing the right wall anchor. Matching the anchor to the job. With so many types of wall anchors available, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Here's a quick guide to help you select the best anchor for your needs. Ideal for light-duty applications in drywall. Best for heavy-duty applications in hollow walls. Perfect for heavy-duty applications in drywall. Convenient for quick and easy light-duty installations. Remember to consider the weight of the object, the wall material, and the location when making your selection. When in doubt, consult with a professional at your local hardware store.
Section 9. The importance of manufacturer guidelines, your blueprint for success. Just like any other tool or building material, wall anchors come with manufacturer guidelines for a reason. These guidelines provide crucial information about weight limits, installation procedures, and safety precautions. Always take the time to read and understand the manufacturer's instructions before using any wall anchor. Following these guidelines will help ensure a secure and successful installation. Remember, a few minutes of reading can save you a lot of headaches down the road.
Section 10. Conclusions: secure your home one anchor at a time. Wall anchors may be small, but they play a big role in home improvement projects. Understanding the different types of anchors and using them correctly is essential for achieving professional-looking results and ensuring the safety and longevity of your work. Remember to choose the right anchor for the job, follow proper installation techniques, and always prioritize safety. With the right knowledge and a little bit of practice, you'll be mastering wall anchors like a pro in no time. Now go forth and conquer those home improvement projects with confidence.